In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in mobile view in Squarespace. We'll tackle this in just about 5 minutes, so you'll be on your way to optimizing your website for mobile users in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace homepage, and at the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and give that a click. Logging in is always the first step, and it's vital for accessing all the features Squarespace has to offer. Once you've clicked that login button, you'll be prompted with several options. For ease and security, I suggest using your Google account to log in. Click on Continue with Google and proceed to select your Google profile. This method is quick and saves you the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. After successfully logging in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays all the websites you currently have access to. Locate the specific website you want to edit and click on it. This action will take you directly to your website's management page, where all your editing magic happens. Now, let's focus on shifting to the mobile view, which is crucial for tailoring your website's appearance for mobile devices. At the top right corner of the page, look for a mobile phone icon. This button offers you a visual preview of how your site will look on a phone screen. Click on the mobile view icon, and your editor will adjust the display so you can see and make changes specifically for mobile users. With the mobile view engaged, you'll want to start editing content directly for this format. Simply click on the Edit button, typically located in the same top corner, which will allow you to make your adjustments. It's at this point that you can move or resize sections, adjust text and images, and ensure everything looks just right on a mobile device. Editing in mobile view directly within Squarespace is a powerful way to optimize your site, since the mobile experience is crucial for a majority of users today. Always keep in mind that the mobile layout may require different spacing or font sizes to ensure readability and engagement on smaller screens. By following these steps, you've started optimizing your website efficiently for mobile users. This process not only makes your site look professional on any device, but also enhances user experience significantly. Remember, once you finish editing, it's always a good practice to review your changes to ensure everything works seamlessly across all devices. And that's it. In just under 5 minutes, you've enhanced your Squarespace site in mobile view, ensuring an optimal experience for your visitors. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Happy editing!